All right, so far I'll go to my 3D view. What is left for me to do here is to finish my roof. Okay, so I'll go to my roof plan. Okay, this is the column layout of my roof plan. I'll go to my AutoCAD file. Okay, so my roof plan terminates at grid line D and terminates at grid line 3. Okay, so I will complete my roof plan now. Okay, to do that, I'll come to the roof plan, go to my model tab, the concrete panel, click on beam. Okay, I'll go back to my AutoCAD file. The beams are 450 by 230. So I'll come here. Okay, my beam is specified as 230 by 450 here, so I'm okay with that. So I'll create my first beam. Okay, I'll window round these columns to create my first beam, window round this column to create my second beam, and window round all this column to create the third beam. Okay, I'll window round all this column to create the next beam. Now, if I window round all these columns here, okay, I will be able to create my next beam, window round these ones, okay, and then the last one, let me pick points. Okay, let's practice a little. Okay, I'll pick this point, and click on the last point to finish. So by doing that, I've completed my roof plan. Now if I go back to my AutoCAD file, okay, there is a 150 mm thick slab on my roof plan. So I'll go back to my Tekla Structure Designer model. I'll go to my model tab, slab panel, and click on slab on beam. So I'll go to the thickness of my slab and type 150 mm. Okay, so now I want to create a new slab. Okay, so I'll click here to place, click here to paste, click here to paste, click here, and click here. So I've successfully created my beams and also my slab. I can go to the 3D view, okay, to view my model. So I can right click and rotate. Okay, I can press my mouse middle button to pan. Okay, I can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, check my supports, my grid lines. Okay, to make sure that everything is okay and perfect. Okay, also check my openings. Okay, on my ground floor, I don't require opening on my ground floor, so I'll delete the opening on the ground floor. Okay, so I think my model is complete and perfect now. So with this, I think we've successfully created our model. So with this also, we've come to the end of module 2. Okay, so in the next module, we'll be validating our model and okay, checking for errors. Thank you.